Hi, welcome dear students to revision video of chapter 5. Hope all of you are in a good health. Today I am going to discuss about an introduction to spreadsheets, and you will learn about the features of MS Excel. So different features of the MS Excel we'll discuss here: the tables, functions, charts, database, sorting and filtering, data validations, grouping, page layout. So first of all, what are the steps to open MS Excel? So you can see here the how can we start MS Excel. Simply you can see the start button. Click on the start button here, and you can see the steps. Here you can see the all programs, and select all programs. Then you just need to select Microsoft Office here. Select and click on Microsoft Office Excel 2010. You can see the 2013 here, and simply you can also find the 2013 or the version what you have. And this way you can simply create, uh, able to open the MS Excel. Now I'm just going to show you how you can use this. Just here you just need to write down. You can, if you are going to use the Windows 10, simply you can use write down the Excel, and you can see here the Microsoft Excel 2010. If you're using the Windows 2010, this way you can open the Excel. And now see different features we'll discuss here. Features of MS. Uh, Page layout, we'll discuss images and background. So you can incorporate image and background into each sheet. You can change the color, background color of the each every sheets, and you can also add image, background image. Clipart, we can add image and insert audio and video clips. Here you can see just like insert and clip parts here. You can simply use this here to just add the clip part. You can search also. Here the search for, I'm just going to, your forms is there. You can just search, and simply you can drag and drop here. Now just if you want to add to your slide, so just go to the this way. This way you can just add the features. This is a PowerPoint, but you can do this. Similarly, you can just add to your, right, similarly, you can add this in the Excel. So now clip art features, you can see the various features here. Insert here. This is the clip art here. You can see it's the simple in the Excel, and it is also in PowerPoint. You can see, and you have can see the various based on search result. You can use the clip art, and next one, hyperlink. We can add link one file to another file or page simply as you use this feature in the MS. In HTML, simply we can link one file to another file or page as you use in the website. When you create a website, or we can link one page to another page. And the macros are used for recording events for future use. This is also an important feature of the, and hyperlink we already discussed, and another features we just going to show you the other features. Tables. So what is the use of the tables? Tables are created with different fields. We can just write down the name, age, address, roll number. So we can add a table to fill these values. And also functions. Functions, what is the use of function? Except provide both mathematical function for add, subtract, divide, multiply, and logical function like average. We can use sum, more. Basically, for mathematical calculus, we can do it simply. Just use the functions and sum of the number. We can just select the cells, and we can also auto sum features. We can use simply, and features we can like the autofill. So this simply help you to just find out the number this way. Autofill, all of you are familiar with just now. One, you can just write down 1 and 2, and this way you can just use these features here. You need to fill series simply, and if you just want to use the auto sum features, auto sum, you can also use the auto sum. This is the easiest if you want to sum the numbers like if I write down the and select the range of number, you can just select this way and just click the. So now you can see you are able to find out the sum. Also, you can see the formula sum b1. You can do the modification here. If you want to any modification here, this is the formula bar, and so we can simply do the modification. This is the important features. So hyperlink, macros, image and background, and page layout. Can also change the theme, color, seat, margin, size, background, height, width, scaling. So many more options are available for you to lay out your page. You can just simply select the change the color. You can just here you can see the various options, as well as if you want to change the background color, you can also do this here. You can also insert the image here. Simply we can insert the pictures, charts. We can also create here the charts, various options. You can see the charts here. Here chart, we can clearly show a product evaluation to a client. For example, we can display chart showing with the product is more or less by month, week, and so visually analyze different. See different here the pie chart. We can just write down here the pie chart. We can select any this way. You can show that based on the data, and simply help you to analyze the data. Right. And database, with the data features, we can add any database from other sources to it. You can import the data, and also similarly we can add, edit. Now how can we check the number of rows, maximum number of rows in Excel file? We can use the shortcut key here. We can just use the control plus down arrow key, so that you can see here control plus down arrow key can see the last row of the 10,48,576. You can just, this is the last row of the Excel. how can we move to last? Control plus down arrow key. CTRL, we just need to CTRL plus down arrow key. Down arrow. And how to move the first row? First row, control plus home. So we you can move to the first row, first column here, control plus home. And you can check the, how can we check the last column? Last column. What is the name of the last column? So you move to control, we can use control plus right arrow key. Just here we can move the control plus right arrow key. So name, you can check here the last XFD. XFD, you can also move, you can just write down the extra name here, the name box, just XFD and column name, you just move. You can also move to this way also. So we have a total number of columns, that is 16,384. 16,384. We have a total number of columns are 16,384, and the rows are numbered, that is 1 to 10,48,576. You can see here the cell. What is the cell? Cell is the intersection of a row and column. And you can see the active cell. This is the active cell. You can see the, so active cell with the highlighted boundary used to enter data in a box. It's called an active cell. And a range is a group of, say that this is the group of the range. You can see select here a range of group of cells which forms the shape of a square or a rectangle. I hope if you able to understand the basic concept here, students. And but the components of MS Excel, these are the components: cell, active cells, range, name box. Here you can see the name box. If you want to jump to any particular row, particular cell, you just enter the text box, enter the address of the particular cell, and you can see the check. It also appears when you're going to click on the any particular cell, you can see the address of here, right? And seat, you see the default seats we have: seat 1, seat 2, and seat 3. The default seat 3 seats. And workbook, here you can see the book 1 is the default. You can change this one. You can also rename this seat name: seat 1, seat 2, seat 3. And this is the formula bar, right? This is the formula bar. Status bar, you can see here the, so I hope all of you are able to understand the concept, features of MS Excel and the component of MS Excel. Thanks for watching the video. Bye for now. See you.